we have to check the dimensional correctness of this equation. Class, remember this equation v square equals u square plus 2as. So we all know this equation is physically correct. Last time we discussed any equation which is physically correct, जिसको हम real life में use करते हैं. Physically correct means that we use in scientific research में हम जिसको भी use करते हैं. So any equation that is physically correct is 100% dimensionally correct. Class, remember? Any equation which is physically correct is 100% dimensionally correct. So class, you have to check. We know it is going to be correct, but we have to check. So what was the process to check a equation dimensionally correct or not? So we will first find dimensional formula for LHS, then for RHS, and we have to prove both are equal. ठीक है class? So class, if we go for LHS, what is LHS? V square minus U square. What is V, class? That is velocity, LT minus 1 whole square. What is U square? LT minus 1 whole square. So it will be L square T minus 2 minus L square T minus 2. क्या आता है क्लास? प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजियनिटी. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजियनिटी क्या बोलता है कि अगर इफ यू ऐड L प्लस L it will give you L. If you minus L minus L, it will give you L. Means length plus length will be length. Length minus length will be length. So in the same way, L square T minus 2 minus L square T minus 2 will be. Okay, class? Now, class, this is our LHS. Now, can you find RHS? What is RHS? 2AS. Class, 2 is a number. For number there is no dimensions. For a number there are. Class, mic check करो, देखो बहुत ज़्यादा शो. For number there are no dimensions. Okay, so this is our acceleration. What is acceleration, class? LT minus 2. And S is the displacement. What is displacement? L. So it will be L2 T minus 2. Now you can notice one thing. LHS is equals to, hence the equation is dimensionally correct. Class, in this equation also we have to check its dimensional correctness. Class, you know this equation, S equals ut plus half at square. And we all know that this equation is physically correct. We all know this equation is physically correct. It is one of the equation of motion. So it has to be 100% dimensionally correct. हमें पता है it is going to be dimensionally correct, but we have to prove LHS equals RHS. When we are writing LHS, very good. Anyone want answer for this one, or I can move forward? That's good. Okay, so when we are saying class LHS, so LHS we have S. S is our displacement. Displacement means L, length. Length को we represent by L. And when we are saying class ut plus half at square, what is u, class? Velocity, LT minus 1. What is time? T. Half have no dimensions. What is acceleration, Shivangi? LT minus 2. These you have to learn. Okay, I have sent notes also. In notes, class देखो, class जिसका mic शोर कर रहा है, you can change the location or you have to mute that. So A is the acceleration, and acceleration dimensional formula is LT minus 2. And Shivangi, what is time? T square. Okay, square it is na. So it is L T minus 1 T. So it will be cancel out. Then we have L T minus 2 T plus 2. What will be L plus L? L. Now you can notice one thing, LHS is equal to RHS. This khatarnak looking numerical, but concept wise very good. JEE mains, NEET, school, everywhere this question come. ठीक है, so देखो what is saying, find out unit and dimensions. Basically we have to find the dimensions of A and B. Can you see class A and B? So we have to find the dimensions of A and B. Class, what is P here? Pressure. What is V? Volume. What is T? That is temperature. Okay class? Use the concept of principle of homogeneity. What we will use class? Homogeneity. Homogeneity means if we can add same, we can subtract same. What is the meaning of we can add same and we can subtract same? देखो class, if someone say L plus LT minus 1, is this addition is possible? No. Why it is not possible? Because this is length and this is speed. So you cannot add length and speed. Class, are you getting my point? You cannot add length and speed. Now instead of this minus plus, if I make this minus, is it possible? No. Length में से we cannot subtract speed. Okay. So can we multiply, divide two different physical quantities? Yes. We can multiply two different physical quantity. We can divide two different physical quantities at two different dimensions. But we cannot add two different, but we cannot subtract two different dimensions. So this thing you have to remember. Okay. Now class, notice one thing. What is P here? All of you. P is pressure. P is pressure. And A, we want to find the dimensions. Class, I am audible. V square. You can notice one thing. What is P here class? Pressure. A, we want to find the dimensions. A is that quantity for which we want to find the dimensions. And what is V class? Volume. Now class, notice one thing. You can add same and you can subtract same. You can add same, you can subtract same. So if I say that the dimensions of P must be equal to dimensions of AV square. Suppose P is pressure. So pressure में क्या ऐड हो सकता है? We can add pressure. So it means A upon V square is equal to dimensions of pressure. देखो, what are the dimensions of pressure class? That is force divided by area. What is force? MLT minus 2. What is area? L2. So L will come up ML minus 1, T minus 2. A. What is volume class? LQ. Volume to we all know, square. ML minus 1, T minus 2, and this is L6. That is A. So A will be, class, what is L minus 1 into L6? That is our answer. Okay class. Now if you want to find dimensions of B also, now see that B, can you see this B class? And we want to find the dimension of this B. Now we can add same, we can subtract same. For example, B is length, so V should also represent length. But here what is V class? V is the volume. So if V is volume, what will be B class? Volume. Because volume minus volume is possible. Volume minus length is not possible. So we can say the dimensions of V is equals to dimensions of B. So the dimensions of B will be volume, that is LQ. That is our answer. Class, in this numerical, what is given? A equation is given. And they are asking us dimensions of A, B and C. What is V here, class? V is the velocity. What is T, class? T is the time. Okay, class? Now, class, you can notice one thing, that this 80 dimensions will be equal to this complete B upon T plus C. And it is equal to velocity. It is equal to velocity. It means velocity plus velocity will give you velocity. And class, length plus length will give you what? Length. Speed plus speed will give you what? Speed. Force plus force will give you what? Distance. Force. So AT is velocity, B upon T plus C is velocity. So velocity plus velocity will give you what? Very good. So we can say velocity. We can say dimensions of V is equals to dimensions of AT is equals to dimensions of BT plus C. Class, it is correct. Now, next. Class, can you see in denominator here? T plus C. Can you notice T plus C? Now, T plus C. If T is the time, what is C? Class, if T is the time, what is C? C is also time. Very good. Because time plus time will give you time. मतलब हम टाइम में टाइम ही तो ऐड कर सकते हैं क्लास. वी कैन ऐड टाइम इन टाइम. वी कैन नॉट ऐड स्पीड इन टाइम. Okay, so if you are adding these two number, if one is time, second one is also time. So we can say dimension of C is equals to dimensions of T. So class, what is dimensional formula of C? What is time? T. तो C का आंसर तो मिल गया. This is the answer for C. Okay, class. Now you can notice one thing here, class. These two. What is dimensions of velocity? LT minus 1. A we don't know, and T is time. This T will come here. LT minus 1 upon T equals A. So A will be, class, very good, LT minus 2. Class, can we equate these two also, first and third? So if you equate first and third, velocity means, class, LT minus 1. What is B, class? We don't know. And class, what is this T plus T? Notice here, T is time and what is C? Time. So what is T? What is T plus T? Time. Very good. So B will be LT minus 1 into T. Okay, class? Yes. Class. So next numerical, what is given? What we have to find the dimensions of A and B. हमें किसकी dimensions find करनी है? A and B की, such that V equals A plus BT, where V is velocity and T is time. देखो, we will solve this question by the principle of homogeneity. We can add same, we can subtract same. Now you can notice one thing here, that this is A plus BT. If A is length, length plus length will give you length. So it gives you velocity. It gives you velocity. So A is velocity, BT is velocity. A is velocity. We can say A is velocity, BT is velocity, and velocity plus velocity will give you velocity. That's why. So A will be equals to LT minus 1, BT LT minus 1. So B will be LT minus 2. Okay, class. In next numerical, what is given? A equation is given and you have to find the dimensions of A, B and C. Where P is the pressure, A, we have to find the dimensions, B, we have to find the dimensions, C, we have to find, X is the displacement and T is the time. Okay, can you find, class? Okay, try to solve. Listen, look class, again we will solve by principle of homogeneity. Look this is C plus T, C plus T. So dimension of C and T must be same. Okay, so we can say dimension of C will be time. Now you can notice one thing, that this is pressure, so pressure plus pressure will give you P. देखो A plus BXC plus T, this will be pressure. Pressure plus pressure will give you pressure. ठीक है, so we can say dimension of A equals BXC plus T equals P. So class, what will be dimensions of A? That will be M L minus 1 T minus 2. That is force divided by area. All of you can find force divided by area. Okay, now B we want to find. X is length, and class, what is time plus time? Time, it will give you time T equals, it is equal to what? It is also equals to pressure. Yes, M L minus 1 T minus 2. So it will come here, it will T minus 1. So it will come here, it will be L minus 2. So M L minus 2 T minus 1. Anyone getting? All these three answer same. देखो class, we can use the concept of dimensional analysis या dimensional formula to derive a scientific equation or to derive a equation. Okay, and this we can understand directly by the help of an example. Okay, so suppose we have to solve. क्लास वो बोल रहा है you have to use the concept of dimensional formulas and you have to derive an equation for a time period. Equation किसके लिए derive करना है क्लास हम लोगों को? For time period, and it is given that time period depends on length and acceleration due to gravity. ठीक है class? So the concept is very simple. What we will do, first you notice what we have to derive. Class, we have to derive the time period. So we will write T. It depends first on length, second on acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so you will write in this way. Now we don't know the time period is directly proportional to length or inversely. If it is directly, the power will be 1. If it is inversely, the power will be minus 1. If it is directly, the power will be 1. If it is indirectly, the power will be, class, minus 1. Maybe T is directly proportional to L square, T is inversely proportional to L square. We don't know na. Class, I am audible? So we don't know what is the power, and these powers are called dimensions. Okay, so what we will do, we will consider it A. So time period depends on length with dimension with dimension, class, A. In the same way, time period depends on acceleration due to gravity with dimension B. ठीक है, so it is very simple. So next what we will do, we will say T is proportional to LA GB. Okay, now if you remove the proportionality sign, some constant will be there, LA G raised to power B. Okay, now very simple, what is the time period dimensional formula? M0 L0 T, time period is time. K, what is length? L. What is acceleration due to gravity? Lt minus 2, that is acceleration. So we can say m0, L0, T1, K. Now you can notice class one thing, here L is raised to power A and here L is raised to power B. So we can say LA into LB. When the bases are same, power will be added. All of you know this thing? Now, T. Now class, what is T raised to power? Minus 2 times of B. Minus 2 times of B. अरे ध्यान से देखो, ये ब्रैकेट में L की पावर कितनी है ऊपर देखो, बताओ मुझे व्हाट इज द और हियर व्हाट इज L रेज टू पावर B. So L raised to power A, L raised to power B. When bases are same, power add नहीं हो जाता, power will be added. Remember? सुनो, suppose 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 3, what you will like? 10 raised to power 5. तो बस वही करें. Now you can notice one thing, time raised to power minus 2b, है ना? Time minus 2 raised to power b. Now class, what we will do? Now we will compare LHS as well as RHS. Okay. Now you can see L raised to power 0 and here L raised to power A plus B. So we can say L A plus B will be 0. Correct class? A plus B, L. This side L is 0. So we can say A plus B is 0. In the same way class, what we have minus ka 2B, T. Notice. And minus 2B is what? 1. So B will be minus half. Correct class? Now, class, A is minus of B. So A will be minus half. So A will be half. Correct class? So class, now we know both. We know A, we know B. So what we will do, we know T equals K L raised to power A. What is A value? Half. And G, what is G value? Minus half. So class T, now we can simplify further. L half, G half. We can bring this G in denominator. It will become plus. So T equals K. What is the meaning of half? Under root L. And what is the meaning of half again for G? Under root. This is the final answer. So we derive a formula. So we can see time period depend on length. With which dimension class? Half. Means class, time period is directly proportional to L, under root L, and time period is inversely proportional to under root G. Class, any doubt? Anyone facing problem? थोड़ा सा अजीब सा लग रहा होगा, क्या कर रहे हैं, वो लगेगा ही पहली बार कर रहे हो, 2-4 क्वेश्चन करोगे हैबिचुअल हो जाओगे, बट सिंपल ना, इट इज नथिंग लाइक वेरी लाइक यू कैन से रॉकेट साइंस वगैरह, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है ना. वेयर इज किसाल? You are getting this? Okay, very good. So I think we can solve one more numerical. In this numerical, what is given? To keep a particle in a circle, we required a certain force. That force is what we call centripetal force. And that centripetal force depend on mass of the object and radius of the circular path and speed of the object. Okay. So they are asking, derive an equation for centripetal force in terms of mass, speed, and radius. Class, can you solve this? So this time what we are finding? Force. Okay class. Number first, force depends on number one. You can notice mass. So we can write mass raised to power A. Then what we have class? Speed. So we can write speed raised to power B. Then we have radius. We can say radius raised to power C. So F equals some constant MA VB RC. This is our equation. Now we have to find A, B and C. जिसको A, B, C मिलेगा उसको अपना आंसर मिलेगा. For that what we will do? Force is M L T minus 2. Correct class? Class, what is mass? Mass is M. Mass is M. What is class? Speed. Speed is LT minus 1. LT minus 1. What is R class? Length, radius, that is C. M1 L1 T minus 2. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा था कुछ याद कर लो डायमेंशन फॉर्मूलाज. Now you can notice class M. Nowhere M raised to power A. So we can say M is only raised to power A. Now we will see for L. You can see L raised to power B, L raised to power C. It becomes L raised to power B plus C. When base are same, power will be added. Now you can see the time. Time is minus B. Time is raised to power minus B. Class, correct? Now we can compare. Here it is A, it is 1. So we can say A is 1. Now we can see it is B plus C equal 1. So we can say B plus C equal 1. This is a one equation. Now you can see T raised to power minus B and T raised to power minus 2. So we can say B minus B equals minus 2. So B equals 2. Now class, if you put B here, B equals 2, what you will get? C. 1 minus 2. So C will be minus 1. Correct class? Now we will put these values. So F equals K M. What is A class? 1. What is V class? 2. And what is R raised to power class? Minus 1. So F equals K M V square upon R. This is the final formula. Class, you can notice one more thing here, that we get no information about K. Okay, we get no information about K. So this is one of the limitation of dimensional formula, that by using the dimensional formula, whenever you will find a scientific equation, that dimensional analysis will not tell you the value of proportionality constant. जो proportionality constant है ना, उसका कोई value की information ये method नहीं देता. So this is first limitation. And what was the another limitation we discussed? That two physical quantities can have same dimensional formula. हाँ. So अगर पेपर में आता है write two limitations for dimensional analysis. So you can write these two. What was the first? Two physical quantities can have same dimensional formula. Class, please close the mic. Two dimensional formulas can have the two physical quantities can have the same dimensional formula, and whenever we use dimensional formula to derive a scientific equation, it will not tell you the value of proportionality constant. In question number first, what is given? The position of a particle moving along x-axis depend on time according to the equation x equals at square plus bt cube, where x is in meter, t is in seconds. Find the dimensions of A and B. Okay class, you have to find the dimensional formula for A and B. Okay class. Okay. In second, no, what about first? Class, in the first numerical, if you notice one thing, that x is the position of the particle, means it is length, its magnitude will be equal to length. So length equals length plus length, means at square will be length plus bt cube, that is also length. So length plus length will give you length. It means the dimensions of x, it means the dimensions of x must be equals to dimensions of at square, and it must be equals to dimensions of bt cube. Class, correct? Many time we have discussed this thing. We can add only same dimensions. Now, what is x class? L. A. What is time class? T square. So A will be L T minus 2. In the same way, class, we can compare x equals bt cube. So B equals, what is x? L upon t cube. So B will be LT minus 3. Okay, class. Now we will go for second one. Now you can notice, class, the velocity of a particle depends on time, and it follows the equation a v equals a plus bt plus c upon d plus t. You have to write the dimensions of a, b, c, d. Okay, class. Second equation, you can notice velocity equals. So if a is velocity, bt complete is velocity, c upon d plus t is complete velocity. So we can say velocity plus velocity plus velocity will give you velocity. So it means the dimensions of v must be equal to dimensions of a, must be equal to dimensions of bt, and must be equal to dimensions of d plus t. अब क्लास इक्वेशन में चेक करो, क्या कहीं और भी एडिशन हो रहा है, यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में हो रहा है सम. And again we can use the principle of homogeneity, that we can add same dimensions, we can subtract same dimensions. Now you will notice one thing, d plus t. If t is the time, d has to be time. D must be time. So we can say the dimensions of d are time. So one answer we get. If you compare v with a, so what is velocity? LT minus 1 equals a. One more answer. If you compare v with bt, so what is v? That is LT minus 1. D we don't know. What is time? T. So B equals LT minus 2. This is our second one, the third one. And finally, if you want to find for C, so class, for C, what you will do? You can compare velocity with C D plus T. Now class, velocity is LT minus 1. What is C, class? C? We have to find. What is class? D? That is time plus time. What is time plus time, class? Time. Okay. Time, it is 9:50. Okay. C. So L. Okay, class. देखो, in next numerical, find the dimensions of a divided by b in the relation f equals a root x bt square. F is the force, x is the distance, t is the time. Can you find, class, dimensions of a by b? So f is given a under root x bt square. So class, this f is force, so a under root x will be force, and bt square will be force. Force plus force is equal to force. So force F equals A under root x equals bt square. Now class force is ml t minus 2 A, and class what is x? It is length. Root means power half. So A will be m l t minus 2 l power half. Now class, if you solve this, you will get m l 1 minus half. What you will get class? Half t minus 2. Okay class, if you want to remove this half, you can write this in this format also. M2 L1 t minus 4 squaring. If you square this, okay, no need to square, then it will be a square also. Let it be. Okay. So all of you getting this thing? M L half t minus 2. Next one is what we have to find, b. So we can write same thing, that m l t minus 2 equals b times t square. So it will be m l t minus 4 equals b. Aman is there? Aman is there? Aman, are you getting? So when you divide a by b, what you will get? M L half t minus 2 m l t minus 4. It will cancel. So what you will get class? It will be l minus 2, l minus half, and it will be t 2. Okay class? How many of you have done class in last numerical? That is p equals a minus t square upon bx. Now again you have to find a divided by b. Okay. So class, you can notice one thing, a minus t square minus. This minus means the dimensions of a must be equal to dimensions of t square. So we can say the dimensions of a will be t square. And class, the dimensions of this complete is equals to pressure. So we can say dimensions of pressure that sorry the dimension of pressure are ml minus 1 t minus 2 equals a is what class? T square minus t square upon b, we don't know what is x class, l. Now if you multiply l by this, it will be m l0 t minus 2 equals what is class? T square minus t square. It will be t square upon b. So class, what will be b? B will be t square upon m t minus 2. So we can write m minus 1 t4. Correct class? So what will be class? A divided by b. So a is our t square and it is m minus 1 t4. So it will be class m positive and t minus 2. Correct class? Class, all of you getting this answer? In first question, what they are saying, the wavelength of matter waves depend upon number one, Planck constant, mass, velocity of the particle. Use the method of dimensions to find a formula, a equation. Okay class, can you solve this? The first case, in the first numerical, they are asking about lambda. Okay, so lambda is found to be proportional h raised to power a, mass raised to power b, and velocity raised to power c. So lambda can be written as k h a m b v c. Class, what is lambda? Wavelength. So it will be L. Class K, what is H dimensional formula? ml. Class, what was the formula? ml2, that is A, mass is m, b, and what is velocity? Velocity is lt minus 1 c. So L, K, class, you can notice that is m raised to power a, m raised to power b. So in total it will be m raised to power a plus b. Class, next is L. You can notice L raised to power 2a, L raised to power c. In total it will be 2a plus c. In last, t raised to power minus a, t raised to power minus a, t raised to power minus c. In total it will be minus a minus c. Now class, can we compare both sides? So if you compare, you can see there is no mass left hand side. So we can say a plus b will be 0. In the same way, 2a plus c will be 1, and minus a minus c will be 0. Okay class, so you have to solve these three equations to find the values of a, b and c. You can notice class one thing here, that a equals minus time of c from third equation. Now if you put this c equals minus a in second one, like here, so what you will get, 2a minus a equals 1. So a will be 1. Now if a is 1, so you can see c will be minus 1. Now see, if a is 1, you can see from this equation 1 plus b equals 0. So b will be equals to minus 1. So class, we get a, b and c. Now what we will do, we will put these here. Lambda equals k, h raised to power a, that is 1, mass raised to power b, that is minus 1, and velocity raised to power c, that is minus 1. So lambda equals kh upon m into v. अभी क्लास जब मैंने, okay class, this is clear. In second one, the velocity of a transverse wave of a string depends on length, tension. Class, tension is just a force. The force in case of a stretched string, रस्सी के केस में जो फोर्स लगता है, the force in case of a rope is what we call tension. So tension is equivalent to a force. And mass per unit length, what do we mean by mass per unit length class? That is mass divided by length. Okay, so we have to derive the equation for velocity. So we can say velocity depends on length of the string, power a, tension, power b, and mass per unit length, power c. Class, I am audible?
Yes, sir.
So class, what is velocity? lt minus 1. K. Class, what is length? L. Class, what is tension? Force, ml, t minus 2. Class, what is mass per unit length? Mass divided by length. What is mass per unit length? Mass divided by length. Okay class? Class. So we can say lt minus 1 equals k. Class, m raised to power b, m raised to power c. So we can say m raised to power b plus c. L raised to power a, L raised to power b, L raised to power minus c, a plus b minus c. T raised to power minus 2 times of b. So if we compare, we can see b plus c is 0. We can see a plus b minus c equals 1. And we can notice minus 2b equals minus 1. So we can say b equals आधा. If b is half, c is minus times of b. So c will be minus half. Now c is minus half. So I think we can find a by using this equation. So we can say a plus आधा minus minus plus आधा equals 1. So a plus 1 equals 1, that is a equals 0. So class, what does it mean by a equals 0? Class, a equals 0 means that it does not depend on length. Okay, it depends on mass per unit length. So we can say, so what was the equation? V equals K. So we can say V equals K L0 T. B is what? Half. And M, mass per unit length, C is minus half. So V will be K under root T upon under root M. So we can say K root T upon M. Even class, this derivation you will do in your last chapter in class 11th. So class, you can do that or I have to solve? We have to derive for mass proportional velocity power A, density power B, acceleration due to gravity power C. So m equals k va rho b gc. ठीक है, correct? Class, what is mass? M. K, what is velocity class? Lt minus 1. What is density? Mass upon volume. Mass upon volume. What is acceleration? Lt minus 2 c. So we have m equals k. Now class, m raised to power b we have, then L raised to power a, L raised to power minus 3b, L raised to power minus कुछ नहीं, L raised to power no 1 it is, L raised to power 1c. Now we have class T. You can notice T raised to power minus a and T raised to power minus 2c. Now if you compare, you can see very clearly B is coming out to be 1. Okay, B is coming out to be 1 and A minus 3B plus C is equal to 0 and minus A minus 2C is equal to 0. So we can say A equals 2 times of C और C equals A by 2. कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है, minus A by 2. You can notice this thing. Okay, now we also know minus A minus 2C is equal to 0. Now if let minus A as it is, minus 2, what is C class? Minus A by 2 equals 0, this thing. So this 2 will cancel. नहीं, ये तो बात नहीं बनेगी, ये तो कैंसिल हो गए, सब इक्वेशन इक्वेट हो जाएगी. कुछ और सोचो क्लास, हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व दिस. सो माइनस ए माइनस सी, बी इक्वल्स 1. क्लास दिस इक्वेशन तो वी ऑलरेडी यूज ना, इक्वेशन तो हम ऑलरेडी यूज कर चुके हैं, तो नो नीड फॉर दिस वन. लुक दिस इक्वेशन, इस इक्वेशन को तो यूज करके लाए हम लोग. अब हमें इस इक्वेशन का यूज़ करना है. मार्क कर लिया करो, घिचपिच हो जाती है कभी. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली हमें क्या यूज़ करना है, a माइनस 3, व्हाट इज़ b क्लास 1 एंड व्हाट इज़ c क्लास माइनस a by 2 equals 0. This c is minus a by 2, this b is 1 and we will find a. So a minus 3 class, if you subtract a minus a by 2, you are left with a by 2 minus 3 equals 0, so a equals 6. Can you notice class? So what is a? 6. And class, this same thing we have to prove, that the mass depends on velocity raised to power what class? Raised to power 6. You have to prove that velocity, so that m varies directly as the 6th power of velocity of flow. So you have proved that mass depends velocity raised to power 6. Now class, move for the next one. What is class next one? In next one, the velocity, the frequency. What is class frequency? It is reciprocal of time period of an oscillating drop, may depends on radius of the drop, density of the drop liquid, and surface tension S of the liquid. Now class, this surface tension we will also study in our course. Surface tension means force divided by length. तुम लोगों के लिए अभी surface tension क्या है? It is force divided by length. So I think you can easily find the dimensional formula. What is the dimensional formula for force? M L T minus 2 divided by length. Length and length will cancel out. So mt minus 2. So this is surface tension. Okay class? Okay class? So I think so we have to derive an equation for frequency. Okay class? So okay class, so we will go for frequency. So frequency equals, we can say, even we can write frequency in this way. Frequency equals k. It depends on radius, density, and surface tension. Okay class? Class, what is the dimensional formula for frequency? That is reciprocal of time period. K. Class, मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? I am audible. What is radius? L. What is density class? Mass per unit volume raised to power B. And class, surface tension LT minus 2 raised to power C. So class, T minus 1 K. So M raised to power, you can notice B and C. So B plus C. L raised to power A minus 3B and T raised to power minus 2 times of C. Now if you go for the comparison for LHS and RHS, you will notice one thing, that B plus C is equals to 0. Then you will notice A minus 3B is equals to 0. And last, minus 2C equals minus 1. So you can see class, C is equals to half. Okay class, so from this first equation you can see B is minus times of C, so it will be minus half. Okay class, then finally we can use A minus 3 times of B, that is minus half, is equals to 0. So A will be you can say minus ka 3 by 2, minus ka 3 by 2. So we get all A, B and C. Now rest you will put these value in this equation. Okay, So when you put these values in this equation k, r raised to power a, what is a? That is minus ka 3 by 2. Okay class. So you can notice class here. Okay. So class, we are left with last one. What is the last one? Using the method of dimensions, derive an expression for flow rate. Yeah, rate of flow. What do you mean by class rate of flow? It is volume. No, 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 no. Rate of flow means it is volume per meter cube. It is volume of liquid. Even no, no. You can say it is volume of liquid flowing per second. It is volume of liquid flowing per second. That is called flow rate, because rate means divided by time. So it is volume flowing per second. So class, you have to remember this thing. What do you mean by flow rate? V. It is volume divided by time. Class, what is volume? L cube. And what is time? T minus 1. Okay. So volume flow rate, liquid depends on radius. Class, what do you mean by pressure gradient? Pressure gradient means pressure divided by length. You can see here P by L. What do we mean by pressure gradient class? P divided by length. And class, it also depends on coefficient of viscosity. Class, this coefficient of viscosity we will study in our course. But we can now directly remember the formula for coefficient of viscosity, that is ml minus 1 t minus 1. Okay class? Class, now you can solve. So class, which equation we have to derive class? We have to derive for flow rate. That is class V equals K. It depends on radius power A. Then pressure gradient we have P upon L raised to power B. And then we have what class? It also depends on what was the last parameter? Coefficient of viscosity raised to power C. Now class, what do you mean by flow rate? It is L cube per unit time. L cube T minus 1. K. Class, what is radius? Length. A. Class, what is pressure? M L 2 T minus 2. That is force. Sorry. ml T minus 2, that is force divided by area, L square. And class, what about this length? Length is L. This complete raised to power. It's a class को अलग से solve करो, what you will get? So you will cancel out these two. So you will get m L minus 1 T minus 2 upon L. This L will come up. m L minus 2 T minus 2. So this is P upon L. That is pressure gradient. This is pressure gradient. Okay class? So remember this pressure gradient. So I will write here pressure gradient. So I will remove all this and we can write directly the formula. What is that? M L minus 2 T minus 2 raised to power B. And what about class coefficient of viscosity? It is M L minus 1 T minus 1 raised to power C. Class, can you find ABC? So it will be L cube. Class, I am audible? So what will be M? Shivangi, what will be M? B plus C. What will be L? L will be A minus 2B minus C. And what is T class? T is minus 2B and minus C. You can notice. Okay. So class, what is B plus C value? That is 0. You can compare both sides. A minus 2B minus C value will be 3. And finally we can write minus 2B minus C equals minus 1. Now we have to solve these three equations to find A, B and C. So from here we can say B 2B equals 1 minus C. Okay, so if you put C value here, that is 2B plus 1 minus 2B equals 0, so it will be minus B, so B value will be 1. Okay, if B value will be 1, C value will be minus 1. If C, you can find A minus 2 and plus 1 equals 3. So A minus 1 equals 3, A equals 4. So class, what will be the final formula? Final formula will be V flow rate equals K R raised to power A, that is 4, P upon L raised to power B, that is 1, and we have coefficient of viscosity raised to power C, that is minus 1. So V will be KR4 P by L upon neta. So we can say KR4 P upon neta L. This is our final answer. Okay class.